Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex, has once again found herself at the center of a media storm, this time for her culinary skills, or rather, the lack thereof. During a live segment on The Tonight Show, celebrity chef Mario Carbone took the opportunity to playfully mock the Duchess's cooking show, leaving viewers both amused and appalled. The segment, which was intended to promote Carbone's new restaurant, quickly turned into a public roasting of Markle's cooking abilities. Carbone, known for his sharp wit and no-nonsense attitude, didn't hold back. He joked about the Duchess's unique approach to cooking, implying that her recipes were more about style than substance. "I've seen some of her recipes," Carbone quipped. "It's like she's trying to reinvent the wheel, but ends up squaring the circle." This public jab at the Duchess has sparked a heated debate on social media, with fans and critics alike weighing in on the controversy. While some have defended Markle, arguing that she's simply sharing her passion for food, others have criticized her for her perceived arrogance and lack of culinary expertise. The incident has also raised questions about the role of celebrity chefs and their influence on public opinion. Carbone, as a highly respected figure in the culinary world, has the power to shape perceptions and trends. His public criticism of Markle could have significant consequences for her brand and reputation. Moreover, the controversy highlights the double standards that often exist for women in the public eye. While male celebrities are often praised for their hobbies and interests, women are subjected to intense scrutiny and criticism. Markle, in particular, has been a target of relentless negative press since her marriage to Prince Harry. The Duchess's cooking show, which was intended to showcase her personal side, has instead become a source of ridicule and embarrassment. The public backlash has forced her to reevaluate her approach and consider whether she should continue to pursue her culinary ambitions. As the controversy continues to unfold, it's clear that Meghan Markle's every move is under intense scrutiny. Whether she can weather this latest storm remains to be seen. Some have argued that Markle's cooking show is an example of cultural appropriation, as she is using recipes and techniques from other cultures without fully understanding their significance. Critics have accused Markle of being out of touch with ordinary people, as her recipes often require expensive and exotic ingredients. The negative publicity surrounding the cooking show could damage Markle's brand and make it difficult for her to secure future endorsements and partnerships.